Believe in victory.
Believe in victory!
Engage.
Stop! Why aren't you moving?
This is gonna tickle.
Great.
Ow! 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 I should have.
Great.
Every last Portia.
That was pretty easy. Yeah, that was a piece of cake. Normal mode is actually not. It's not that bad, I guess. God, I wish like it was. I wish when we're doing the battles, I wish it was muted so that you guys can just think, wow, Kronii's actually doing pretty decent. Wow, and then you won't hear me mashing like crazy and sweating.